William James theorized that the spotlight of human attention uses two distinct, separate types of cues to bias our sensory input and decide what is important enough to process.
Okay.
The first type are non-volitional cues, or involuntary cues. These are strictly based on the saliency and noticeability of targets in your environment.
The text gives a great example of this. Imagine you are sitting in a busy, noisy restaurant, trying to drink your coffee. Suddenly, a baby at the next table starts screaming at the top of its lungs.
Right.
Or someone drops a tray of brightly colored plates that shatter on the floor. You don't consciously choose to pay attention to the screaming baby or the crashing plates. Your brain is involuntarily, forcefully pulled toward those events.
They are highly salient, they demand attention.
Exactly, your biological alarms go off.
The second type of cue, however, is volitional or voluntary. This is based on a subject's deliberate, conscious, and goal-directed effort to focus on a specific target.
So an active choice.
Yes, the literature gives the example of scanning a dense page of text specifically to find the answer to a trivia question. You aren't just reading passively, you are actively, voluntarily searching for a specific pattern.
Okay, so we have these two forces. Involuntary cues pulling our attention toward bright and loud things, and voluntary cues directing our attention toward our specific goals.
Exactly.
This makes perfect sense for human brains. But how on earth bridge the gap between William James's 19th century observations and modern deep learning algorithms?
It does it by taking those psychological concepts and mapping them directly onto the variables used in the attention mechanism algorithm.
Oh wow.
It creates a mathematical analogy.